Okay, today we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. You're looking at our 4 horsepower. This is a cooling system for your walk-in box. Cooling system. Okay, so it's 3 pieces. Obviously we got a cooling system that was gonna go inside the walk-in box, control box. We got the system that will go on top, on the outside or on your roof, okay? So pretty much we have 3 elements here. We also have manual booklets for everything. So if you don't know how to use it, everything, all the instructions are going to be provided. Okay, for the condensing unit, which is this one, we have our manual. Okay, we have a diagram here, information for your control box. Okay, included. Also, control box is going to have a Dixel temperature set, so it's very simple to set. And if you don't know how to use that Dixel controller, we have all the instructions for the Dixel controller. Okay, so all instructions for each element will be provided, so it'll be very simple for you. If you don't know how to use it or having trouble, every instruction is going to be provided for you. Okay, on the side of this condensing unit, we have specs regarding the unit. Okay, you have your model, voltage, all that information is located on that sticker on the side of the unit. Now if you follow me over to the front, you can see the fan. Also, we have a compressor. Okay, there's going to be a door right here with keys. You will be provided with keys. You can lock this door. If you go ahead and open it up, you can locate your compressor control system. Compressor brand Emerson. Okay, so the brand on these compressors, Emerson. Okay, so that's going to be a demonstration on this condensing unit. Now if you follow me over here, this is where you're going to locate your cooler. Okay, so you will be provided with instruction as well for this cooling system. Okay, so if you have any questions, also all the information is going to be right there. You have double fan. Also on the front, we have a sticker with the specs for this cooling system. Okay, so all the specs are in this cooling system. Now for this cooling system, it is a 220 volt unit. Okay, so it runs on 220 volt. Now I'm also going to go ahead and measure this cooling system for you. The piece that will go inside your walk-in box. Okay, for the length, you're looking at about 57.5 inches. Depth wise, you're looking at about 16 inches, and it stands at about 22 inches high. Okay, now this is all stainless steel. You may see it's gonna look blue on the video. This is just a protective peel-off sticker. You can go ahead and peel this off once you receive it. It's all stainless steel, very good quality overall. Okay, also I'm gonna go ahead and open up this control box just so you can see all the details on this control box. Okay, we already mentioned the Dixel controller, which you can set your temperature, control that as well. Well, on the inside, we want to show you the control box. As I mentioned, this runs on 220 volt, 4 horsepower. If you're interested in one of these cooling systems, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this system. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.